AMFE currently at 0.810 right here. That's what we're seeing going on with this with AMFE right now. The last time that we've taken a look at this stock is going to be on the 24th, and that was right here. Looks like what I said could keep going from here, but if volume slows, it could pull back. And let's see, one, two, another day, really nice day. Volume was up there, and then you guys had a pullback, tap down to that 10-day simple moving average, which we see right here on the 26th. And I said that if volume slows, we'll pull back fast. It did. I mean, really, not too fast. It did pull down quite a bit, though. All right, you did get a big candle out there. It did pull down fast, but ended up coming back up, which was obviously fairly nice that we've seen right there. And I said the gaps at 0490 and 05, 0525, and 0613. And then the resistance at 0670. And then the support levels following up. So obviously this thing has made some moves compared to the last time that we've looked at it, hitting that resistance level at 0.8, breaking through it. Where was the high? Yeah, the high on the 26 as well is going to be that 8. So that 8 finally made through that resistance level. RSI currently set at 79. Still a little bit of room there as well. I would continue to watch. I mean, I personally think that the chart's starting to get overstrung here, but you guys made it through the 8 mark. So if that 8 mark gives way, I think that it'll pull back fast. You guys break about the 840, 850. Where was it high at? The high is at 830, so 0830. If you guys break through about the 0850, I would think that it could keep going from here. But if you guys can't hold that 8 mark, I think it'll start pulling back. So that's my opinion on it. I think that 8's going to be playing a pivotal role.
All right, so they had a press release on April 24th. It was Amfil Technologies Incorporated provides update on Snakes and Lagers Incorporated. Snakes and Lots Incorporated subsidiary included largest purchase order to date, new partnerships, and third location construction and opening. All right, so Amfil Technologies is pleased to provide shareholders and the investment community with an update on our Snakes and Lates Incorporated, Snakes and Lagers Incorporated subsidiary. So Snakes and Lates Incorporated has received its largest purchase order to date from Indigo Chapters and will be supplying approximately 10,000 units. Each of the numbers of titles we hold exclusive Canadian distribution rights to, including Exploding Kittens, Cards Against Humanity, Joking Hazard, and Watch Your Mouth. So Nintendo of Canada PR department reached out to Snakes and Lights Incorporated to potentially partner up to create game nights at the Snakes and Lots Incorporated location to help promote and showcase the recently launched Nintendo Switch gaming console and the new Game 1-2 Switch. This is a popular and highly interactive party game that showcases the system's many unique features and impressive new technology. Updates will be forthcoming once we finalize the details. So we will. It's basically all bullet points within that press release that they have right here. So it says we will be warehousing, supplying, and drop shipping all orders placed on Amazon for titles that Snakes and Lates Incorporated has exclusive Canadian distribution rights to. And then it also states that Snakes and Lates Incorporated will be hosting a Cineplex Rec Room in Toronto as a pilot project 1 or 2 nights a week, and will supply board game gurus and stock product to provide a library of games. Further collaboration proposals are being put together, and updates will be provided on these initiatives as they develop. See, so I mean, it's just all like bullet points of what's going on right here. It's keeping up with the demand on the warehouses and at the Snakes and Lates Incorporated retail locations. We have currently increased staff from 90 to 100 employees. We will also be hosting a job fair and recruitment event starting next month to hire approximately 60 new staff members and have them trained before the opening of the newest, largest, and third Snakes and Lates location of the date. So construction is slated to get underway in May 2017 for a July 2017 opening for the new Yonge and Eglinton location. Our lease on the location has been negotiated to 10 years. So let's see, Amfil Technologies is pleased and excited with the progress that the Snakes and Lates Incorporated and Snakes and Lagers Incorporated subsidiary has made to date. Further updates on the company developments for all of the Amfil Technologies subsidiaries can be expected in the near future. So, I mean, it goes down right here. It says Snakes and Lates Incorporated holds the trademark and the owner of Snakes and Lates Incorporated, which currently operates a 6,000 square foot and 7,500 square foot tabletop gaming bar and cafe located in Toronto, Ontario, that brought in over 7 million CDN in revenue last year. It is in the process of opening a third location at 10,000 square foot, the largest to date, Snakes and Layers Incorporated. Also, the procurement office of all existing and future Snakes and Lates Incorporated franchises, and has the exclusive rights to sell franchise locations globally. I mean, there's a lot of different things to take in and research within this actual company, you know, within, or especially regarding that game, because from my understanding, the game is doing fairly well. All right, so if you want to continue doing more due diligence, just go right over to the AMFE board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Amfil Technologies Incorporated board on Investors Hangout.
All right, you guys see me follow along here with Joe. This is all available at your fingertips, completely free. As far as the chart goes right now, the 0810, a break of 0830, can keep going. If volume slows and breaks 08, coming back down, could pull down to the 10-day simple moving average. But like I said, overall, this chart's really strong, especially coming back to 323. I think that maybe it needs a little bit of a breather to pull back down. You guys see that it happens here. It's completely normal, but really bounces off of it really nice. Pulled back down here, here, and here. Again, to that 10-day, if that 8 breaks, it could pull back down to it and then bounce off that area as well. Like I said, overall, though, really strong chart here. Again, the RSI is 79. Still has a little bit of ways to go, but once you get up to that 80 area to the 90, you start getting to that overbought territory. But either way, still a midline. We'll continue to watch this one. If you follow the stock, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. We'd appreciate it. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.